Good morning, you guys. It is Friday morning.
Okay.
Day 4 of being here. They installed the toilet last night. We can't stop laughing. Like, Grayson's still asleep and I'm scared we're gonna wake him. It's that funny. But, yeah, doesn't even come up to my kneecap. It's tall enough for Grayson to use. I can't deal with it. Oh my gosh, but it's got this awesome spray thing. But you can't even lift your butt off the toilet to use it. Oh my god, I gotta go. Oh. All the molding. They put molding down here to cover up where they had to slice the linoleum. All the molding around here, all the molding. There we go. Around the door has been put back. The cows that are outside. Got all that done. So we are completely finished. And I'm going to go outside and show y'all where he fixed the water inlet. Okay, and they also fixed this piece. Got that fixed. We haven't gotten this one fixed yet. But so this is all fixed. So we also got the sail switch on the furnace done too. So we are done. Okay, so we are completely done with all our repairs, but the problem is that it is almost 1 o'clock and Adam has to leave for work in about 30 minutes, so we don't have time to hook up to the camper and bring it back to its original campsite. So we're gonna stay one more night here and leave in the morning, and that will be morning, let's see, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, morning 5 that we have been here, and we finally got everything done. So that is the update for day 4. We got our floor completely done, we got the water inlet done, and the sail switch on the furnace actually got done yesterday. But I didn't do any footage of that because Grayson was sleeping and I was holding him while the technician was redoing all that. So this is day 4, and this will probably be the last part I video for today, and then tomorrow we'll be packing up, hooking up, and going back to our campsite. And we are in Seguin, Texas right now, and we have to go an hour towards San Antonio, Texas. We're actually in Elmendorf, so that's where we'll be doing tomorrow. Grayson, are those the moo cows? Yeah, you see a baby one, huh? He's a baby like you. Baby. The moo cows. That's what he calls them. Good morning. It is day 5. It is Saturday morning. It's about 9:30 and we are packing up to leave. We have all our jacks up, our slide outs in, the camper set up to go, the steps in. We're just about to put the hitch on, back up the truck to it, and get out of here. It has been a long 5 days and we are so ready to be back at our normal spot. So there's Adam back there taking the power out, putting it away, and I think that's pretty much the last thing we have to do. And then we're gonna be hooking up and getting out of here. we just got back about 20 minutes ago. It's 11:11, make a wish. And we are just getting unhooked from the truck. Got the wheel chocks down, got the tire covers on, and we're just unhooking from the truck right now so we can set up everything else. But here he is, taking off the sway bars and everything, and then we're gonna get unhooked from it. I may not video that though, because we are hungry, we are tired, and we just want to get this all done. So we are back in our spot.